Welcome to Luxoro Homes. Today we're showcasing our all-new luxury motorhome.
Freedom just got an upgrade. Meet the 2026 Toyota Grand Motorhome. Blacked out, orange accents on fire, 40 feet of pure ascendancy. This isn't an RV, it's your rolling penthouse. If you're tired of boring road trips, buckle up. This changes everything. Let's go. Front first. This thing looks angry in the best way. Razor-sharp LED headlights, slim glowing grille, that massive Toyota oval popping in orange like it's ready to eat highways. Side profile? Insane. Jet black paint with those fiery slashes running full length. Racing vibes on a luxury pusher. No boxy grandpa RV here. Sleek aero lines, huge tinted windows, polished alloys that scream money. Toyota built this on a bulletproof diesel chassis. Air ride suspension, heavy-duty everything. Handles mountains, pulls toys, racks 200K miles like nothing. Pull into any campground or truck stop, heads turn, guaranteed envy. Flip to the back, pure theater. Full-width LED taillights ignite like neon afterburners. Dual or quad chrome tips, clean diffuser, centered Toyota badge owning the lane. Reverse cam, 360 bird's eye, parking assist. Backing this monster feels easy. Parked at dusk? Those glowing strips turn your campsite into a vibe. Pop the hatch, here's the muscle. Beefy turbo diesel, clean layout, everything accessible. Allison Auto Trans for butter smooth shifts, air suspension leveling, modern emissions without choking power. Highway MPG, solid 10-12 unloaded, better than most dinosaurs this size. This engine doesn't just move you, it conquers. Cross-country, towing a Jeep, off-grid weeks, no sweat. Climb in. The cockpit hits different. Leather captain chairs, heated, ventilated, massage. Power everything. Dual giant screens. Infotainment with RV routing. No bridge disasters. Full digital cluster. Apple CarPlay. The works. Panoramic windshield. Slim pillars. View is insane. Now the real addiction? Inside. Open layout, theater seating, warm LED strips everywhere. Kitchen, induction cooktop, full fridge, convection oven, island bar, gourmet on wheels, slide outs for massive space, king bed master suite, walk-in wardrobe. Bathroom game strong, glass shower, rain head, separate toilet, marble vibes, stand-up ceiling, skylights, fireplace option, solar prep, huge tanks for boondocking. Washer, dryer ready, 4K TV, surround sound, Starlink plug and play. This isn't camping, it's next level living. Family adventures, remote work from Joshua Tree, retirement freedom, whatever your vibe, it delivers. The 2026 Toyota Grand Motorhome isn't just another RV. It's Toyota reliability wrapped in luxury, tech, and straight-up attitude. Pricey? Yeah, worth every penny? 100%. If you're dreaming of the ultimate road life, this is it. What do you think? Ready to trade your house keys for ignition? Drop your dream route in the comments.
Thanks for watching Luxoro Homes. Like, subscribe, and stay inspired.